Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh, shut up.
Northern Hudson County in northwestern New Jersey. Southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey. Southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey.
This is freaking crazy.
Somerset County in northern New Jersey. Northeastern Northampton
I need to put
County
batteries in
eastern
this.
Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belfast or near Easton.
Oh, I have family there.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Where's that smoke alarm that had batteries on it?
Source radar indicated.
Radar indicated.
Damage to roofs, siding, trees.
Yeah, of course it's radar
and power
indicated.
lines is possible.
Um,
Locations impacted include Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Forks, Middlesex, Bound Brook,
This one
Hackettstown,
was-
Wilson, Washington, Nazareth, Morris Plains, Bangor, Mendham, High Bridge, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Clinton, Belvedere, and Harmony. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey near mile marker 0, in between mile markers 3 and 38. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 14 and 36. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds,
Oh, frequent side of ground.
ground-to-ground
Yep.
lightning is occurring with this storm.
move indoors immediately.
Remember,
If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset and Warren, and Northampton, Pennsylvania. The current time is 3:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hold on, guys, my 400's trying to fall.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay, featured at 3:25.
Okay, you're good there.